Yeah, hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to clean your turbo drum inverter technology smart inverter 12 kg diamond clip. Okay, yes, that's diamond glass. So this is an LG product. So smart inverter motor, 10 years warranty. I want you to see it's an auto start. If there is light off, this machine you are seeing here will continue where it starts when the light comes back. Yeah, the product is an LG product. Where they write it, say LG. The drum is wide. It's wide. It's double drum, and it's smart inverter, 12 kg size. This one is very good for duvets. So I will still come back with a lot of reviews. You see, it's sleek, very amazing. Look at it. It is wonderful. It is wonderful. But today I want to show you how to clean it. After use, it's good you open it so the smells can go out. So how to clean it? You only clean this thing. You see this. This is what you clean. So to clean it, I will show you in a moment. So look at this. These are the two things you clean in it. It is self-cleaning, but those two things you clean it because they are the sucker. These are sucker sieve. These ones are the one that's saving the clothes from blocking the main water outlet. So let's go and clean it. Or you can get some water for yourself. Get water. You put them inside the water and the brush. To open it. So you open it like this. So to open it, it's very easy. You can open it with your hand. You can use your nail to open it. So look at some dirty things that are inside it. Remove it. So you want to clean the net, the sieving net that is inside it, to clean it up. So you'll be very careful. Just use this scrubber to open it like this. See? So you can come to the other side and open it up. Remove it with the tiny scrubber. Don't force it. So you now put it inside. Use this brush to brush inside to open the sieve. So remove but it's good you put it inside water so the thing can be soft for you to use. You understand? So it's soft. Clean everything and wash it. So you do the second one. First of all, you clean this one too. Just make sure you clean it up. You don't need to waste your time. So this second one, to open it, you see there is dirty inside it. Remove the dirty things inside it and remove this thing as well. So when you remove it like this, wash it. When you wash it, clean it up. You clean this one too. Replace it. Clean it with the brush. Now what you do is to replace it. After you have cleaned it up, you replace it back inside the casing. This is how to replace it, you see. You just place it back, you see. It's like this. So if it does not go like this, don't force it. It's a plastic, don't force it. So you see, if you just go itself, it's simple. because if you force it, you break it. Don't use this thing to remove it. If you use this one to remove it, you break it, and if you break it, so, or you might need to be adjusting it, or giving you concern. But it's easier to use this thing to remove it. Just do it like this. If it doesn't go that way, you take the other side, or use this one thing. So it's the same. Just press it up, and it will go. And if you use this thing to take it up a little, you can use your finger or nail to remove it up. This is the hardest part of it. This is the hardest part of it. Removing it is the hardest part. To place it back is very, very easy. You just place it back, easy. Look at it, you see, and cover it. This one is clean. So the second one too is clean, but you need to place it back. And you have to be doing the cleaning after like a 5 or 10 washes. So you not block this thing, because this thing is the sucker. It's a powerful sucker that is sucking dirty things from and will make your clothes to be clean of dirty things. You know, this thing, if they gather on your clothes, the clothes will not be clean. There are so many of it on the clothes. So this is the apparatus that remove those things and make your clothes look shining and clean. And it sucks a lot of things. There are several other things like soap, remnants, and many other things. So the sucking took place through this side heavily. So it will suck, takes in the water to make sure that everything is. So this thing has to be getting clean every like 10 washes, depending on how dirty those clothes are or much. So it's ready now to be replaced back. So gently we take it back to replace. So we are back here. To replace it is simple. Just open this thing, put it inside. What you do, look at it, take it back, press it. You need to use a little force. That's why I said don't force it. Don't force anything, because if you force it, you spoil it. So, and it's not a thing you need to beg anybody to come and do for you. It's a simple thing. And I will teach you again how to remove it, because it seems some people did not see how to remove it that time. So you now turn it back, and it has a side of key. So this, you see this pinch, this hook, this thing, you put it on here. You see the space for that thing is here. You see the space. So you wash it, you just put it here. You see. And if you want to remove it, you press here. Sorry. If you want to remove, you press here. To remove, you press it and remove. If you want to place, you wash this thing. This, you see, this thing that I'm touching. You see it? This thing. You wash it, that it tally with up here. This one. So you now put it and press. Sorry, look at it again. You push it and press. That's it. So you have cleaned it. You can use it for many weeks, depending on how often you wash your clothes. So I will teach you how to use it to wash duvet, to wash many things. And just follow the program, follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, click like button, so you'll be able to YouTube will be able to bring it to you, to your phone anytime, and click the notification button, so anytime I post, you'll be able to be notified that I posted. You'll be able to watch it freely. So thank you. This machine is a LG double draw with inverter technology. it's 12 kg. And yes, I will still be back. Thank you.